In this video, we're diving into how to set up automated email campaigns in Vendasta quickly and easily. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use this powerful tool to save time and supercharge your email marketing efforts. Before we jump in, if you're interested in trying out Vendasta for free, be sure to check out the first link below for exclusive access and bonuses. Don't miss out. Now, let's get into it. First things first, automated email campaigns in Vendasta can help you reach your audience at scale without needing to manually send out emails every time. Setting this up is a game changer, especially for those with a lot of contacts and a lot to manage. Next thing you want to do is log into your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're in, head to the Marketing tab. Here you'll see an option for email campaigns. Click on that to start creating your campaign. The third thing is choosing the type of email campaign you want to run. Vendasta offers pre-built templates for all sorts of situations, whether it's welcome emails, promotions, or reminders. These templates make setting up campaigns super easy, but you can also create one from scratch if you want a more tailored approach. Once you've selected or created your template, the fourth step is to set up your audience. You'll want to choose who gets these emails, so upload your contact list. Make sure your list is clean and segmented. Vendasta allows you to target based on specific interests or behaviors, which helps with personalization. Now, moving on to the fifth thing, automation settings. This is where the magic happens. You can choose when your emails will be sent and how often. You might want to send an email right away after someone signs up or schedule it for later. Set triggers based on actions, like when someone subscribes, abandons a cart, or takes another key action. The sixth thing is setting up your email content. Don't just send generic content, make it personal. Vendasta lets you customize the text, images, and even buttons in your emails, so they really stand out and resonate with your audience. And finally, once you're happy with everything, hit that Launch button and let the automation work for you. The beauty of automated email campaigns in Vendasta is that once you set it up, you're free to focus on other things while your campaign runs on autopilot. Remember, with our exclusive offer, you can try Vendasta for free using the link below. This is an extended trial that gives you all the tools you need to get started with automated email campaigns. By the way, if you stayed until the end, you'll see how easy it is to set up and automate campaigns that save time and grow your business, all within Vendasta's powerful ecosystem. Check the link below to access your free trial and get started today.